Of course. But yeah, so you can watch me style this jersey, number 1. Okay, so without styling anything, this is what it looks like on. This is the front and this is the back. Now I got this one customized for my mom. She is a Leo, August 8th, and I have her name in the back of it. But I am going to try it on, just to show you guys like what it looks like on. I'm not really gonna style this one, but I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like on. So, give me just a second. Yeah. And then you have this one. So Leo 08. You have Davis 08 on the back. It's really cute. I love the material, the embroidered, like everything is just, God, it's just. And who don't want customized jerseys? I'll wait. Correct. Okay, I'm gonna try on this other one. This one I customized for my wife. It has 02 on the front and 02 on the back. Here, here, and then it has Harris, the last name. Now, I can wear this one if I wanted to, but I just told her to pick a number instead of doing her birthday. I told her to pick a number between 1 and 2. 2, so we did 2. So this is hers. I like the colorway. She kind of like does things to like match her shoes, so I feel like it was damn near perfect shit. But yeah, this is hers. Now I'm gonna style the last one because that one is another one of mine, and it says Baddie on the front. It has 08, 24 on the back, and Sade. Y'all kind of get the concept of what I was doing here, but I'm gonna put this one on, and then I'll show you guys how I styled it in my head before I got the dress. Okay, so basically this is how I would style it. Real cute, real sassy. I do have on black shorts under here to kind of keep it from like showing my goodies, but yeah. Show y'all what it looks like. The front, got the baddie, and then in the back, we got Sade. But yeah, like, I love them. I love all the jerseys. I do thank you, Fans Idea, for reaching out to me and wanting to collab with me. Thank you so much. Until next time, I love you guys. Don't forget, I will be linking my discount code in the description box below. Again, thank y'all so much. And until next time, I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.